my doves, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Aphrodite by Olympia. If you're new here, my name's Olympia and I do videos on beauty and makeup, available in Australia for deeper skin tones. This video is number 4 in my designer brand's ICU 6-shade eyeshadow palette series. I am doing a video for every single color story in the ICU eyeshadow palettes by designer brands. This one is Make It Mauve, and I've got a cranberry wing and I live for it. I think it is so cool. I think it is cool. I think I did a cool job. Okay, I'll stop. But seriously, I think I did a good job. I like the look. It's not an everyday, you know, wearable look. The video before was a wearable one. I will link it in the cards here for you guys. Or is it here? One of them. I will link it in the cards for you guys if you want a more wearable look. You can create wearable looks with this, but I thought in this video that I would go a little bit more on the Instagram baddie type of thing. So look out for this look on Instagram, guys, because I do post all my like photos and looks from these videos that I do up on my channel, up on my Instagram. I will link my Instagram handle for you guys to go check out. Give me a follow if you feel like it. You don't have to, but the option is there. I do also kind of do sneak peeks on kind of what's coming next on my channel, just in case you're wondering. Go over and have a look. Just have a look. It's all good. Anyway, so we are doing a giveaway with this series. The giveaway is going to be 3 prizes. I have decided to be eligible to win, you have to be subscribed. And 2, you have to basically tell me what the secret sentence is on my 6th videos. This is number 4, so there's 2 more coming up on the 6th video. Just comment in the comments below what you think is the secret sentence, and if you're correct, you will be eligible to win. Sorry, that's my dog who's barking in the background there, so I do apologize. There must be somebody like walking past the house because she barks at literally everything. Okay, I think she's done. Anyway, instead of me trying to talk over her, as I was saying, oh no, she's not done. Okay, I think we're safe now. As I was saying, so what was I saying? Yes, comment below on the 6th video what the secret sentence is and you will be eligible to win. If you want, oh my god, she is still barking. I don't even know like where we're up to at this point. I'm so like, what's going on? Okay, let's just do a recap. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe, comment on the 6th video what this secret sentence is, to be given extra entries to increase your chances to win. Make sure you comment on each video what the secret word is for that particular video, and you'll be entered multiple times, up to 6 times basically, if you do that. So the designer brands giveaway is going to be designer brands products. A lot of what you've seen me use and wear over the last, you know, videos leading up to the 6th one. For more details about when this competition closes or this giveaway closes, make sure you check out the description box. Now, that's everything. Let's get into this video because I feel like I've been talking for a while. I probably haven't been, but it feels like it. So let's go and check out how we can do this look. Alrighty then, so Make It Mauve time. We are going to do, I'm thinking a cut crease with maybe a pink liner. I want to use this very tart liner in this look, I'm thinking. So we'll see how we go. I kind of have an idea in my head what this looks going to look like. Yeah, very pink but kind of fun as well. This one's a little bit more difficult to follow along with, so I'll try and give as much explanation as possible. Okay, so eyes are once again primed with ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade 64. for dark, I believe. And I've already done my brows using the designer brand's creamy brow pomade in the color chocolate. So I'm having a BBD, which is a bad brow day today. So my brows look a little whack. I apologize. I spent a little bit extra time trying to get these brows right, and they still don't quite look right to me, but that's okay. Now let's get into this video because I have a feeling it's gonna take a little bit longer to do. So going in with a fluffy transition blending brush, we're gonna go into the lighter shade here. It's like a pink. I want this in my transition. So this color is translating a little bit light, but that's okay. I'm not sure if you can see that pink on me. It's really, really light. It's not coming up a lot. It is a beautiful color though. It's just not as pink as I would want it. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do a halo eye, guys. I've changed my mind. Yeah, we're gonna do a halo eye with this look. I think it would look really, really good. The colors are complementary, so yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do a halo cut crease. All right, going in with now with a more denser crease brush. This is the Marc Jacobs crease. We're gonna go into that color here. And that's going directly into the crease. Just soften up those edges with that lighter pink shade just here. That's really pretty. Okay, and finally, to deepen the crease and to create, like to continue to create more definition, I'm gonna take this Zoeva Soft Definer 227 brush, and we're gonna go into the deeper shade, and I'm gonna pop that in the crease as well. Yeah, so as you can see, it's got some really good depth. I'm just going to soften those edges up, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D brush, middle shade here. So it has an awesome like gradient from dark to light. We're gonna go into the ColourPop concealer, and I'm just gonna choose the brush that I usually cut crease with. This is the Morphe M421. Alright, by looking up like that, it gives me an idea of where I actually need to, like how high I need to go up, because it will transfer if it doesn't go, if it's not high enough. Okay, taking a shader brush, this is the ColourPop E3. I'm gonna go into this pink here. Can you see that? There we go. I want a fair bit of product, wet it, and we're gonna go all over. Alright, going with a classic Luxe Classic Shader 252 by Zoeva. We're gonna go into that lighter pink there, like the middle pink, and we're gonna try and blend that. And don't worry if you lose some of that pink, we can always put it back. Just want to get a good blend first. And go into that brown. I wanted to go for a more dramatic look this time, since last week's was so like easy and simple. We're gonna go pink liner. Now, in order for the pink to show up, I'm gonna have to use a white base. So I've got the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, And I'm going to use, let's try with this brush first. This is just, I think, a lip brush, but lip brushes work really well for detailed work, so. Okay, that's the base for the liner. Done the liner. I look crazy. I know. I'm going to let it dry. So this is the designer brand's Pigment Plus water resistant retractable eyeliner. This is in the color Berry Tart. I just mushed it up on like a palette, and I'm gonna go over the top. Yes. I really like this. I'm gonna put mascara on first, just because I've got like white and pink on my lashes. Okay. I'm gonna put some lashes on now. By designer brands in the Style Fierce. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys out and we're gonna do the base. So we're almost there, guys. Home stretch. Once again, we're using the designer brand Skin Quencher primer and moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, vitamin C and E. I love this thing, it's so hydrating. I would probably use this just as a moisturizer, to be honest. Like, I would totally just slather it on. Yes. Moving on to foundation, and you guessed it, we're using designer brand's Long Wear 24-hour foundation in the shade Deep Honey 291. This is my shade, this is the shade, and two others that I helped designer brands create when they wanted to extend their foundation range. So we're gonna pop this on my Zwiva 104 buffer. 2. You guys. What the heck? That is not gonna come out. I'm having such a bad day today. Wow. Okay. Alright guys, I'm back. I did go off camera to do my concealer, powder, bronzer, a little bit of contour, and we are now going to move on to some of designer brand's base products. So I'm going to use the same ones that I used in the previous videos. So if you don't want to see this part again, by all means skip through, but yeah, we're going to continue. We've got the Brilliant Skin blush and highlight duo in the shade Afterglow. That's what it looks like there. And we're just gonna highlight and blush. To blush, I'm gonna blush first. I like to use the Real Techniques blush brush. This does pick up quite a bit of product there. Now, I do like to put on that tad little bit extra blush because I go over the whole area with Micro Smooth. And it just kind of looks like the blush is more natural, like it's peeking through the skin as opposed to sitting on top of the skin. There we go. And then using the Sigma tapered highlighter brush, we're going to go into that highlighter shade. Did you guys see that? I accidentally broke off a piece. Oh man. Now I do like a more natural highlight. This is just the right amount for me. Nose. Top lip. Now I reckon I'm gonna go okay guys, so that's the base done. I've got the lip, which is Dusty Nude, in case I didn't mention earlier. And now I'm gonna zoom it back out again because we need to finish the lower lash line. I'm gonna clean up the liner just a tad and we'll be done. Alright, let's just sharpen this a little bit. Yeah, so there is a sharpener that lives at the end of the pencil. And you just turn, comes out sharp. Just do the waterline here. We're gonna go in with that shader brush to that middle color there. Now I just want to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner a little bit, but I'm gonna use the highlighter to do so. So just the inner corner there. Alright guys, we are done with this look. We're done, we're finished. Everything is mint. I did add a little bit of black liner along the lash line just because I felt like it was, like the lash was a little bit too obvious on the pink. But you can still really see a good amount of pink on the lash. So I thought it just needed that little bit extra. I'll zoom you back out now and yeah, we can get on with this video. Okay guys, I am done. This is the final look.
Yes, I'm on my, yes, I'm on my, I'm so, yes, I am so.
Okay, now, did you get the secret word? Did you? Because it was there. I promise this is word number 4, guys. I'm sure you're starting to see what the sentence is gonna be, but the secret word is there. Make sure you comment down below for some extra bonus entries into the giveaway. There will be 3 winners. It will be full face of designer brand products. And yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the notification bell, all that good stuff. And I will see you beauties on my next video. Bye.